friends! Today's video is specially dedicated to Romel from Brooklyn, New York. Romel wants to learn about 5 amazing animals. The orca, the sparrow, the kangaroo, the humpback whale, and the peacock. But wait, I have a fun surprise for you. This video will be hosted by someone very special. Meet my brother Milo. He's going to tell you all about these animals today.
Hey friends, I'm Milo, Nia Blu's brother. Today I'm hosting this video and we're going to explore the animals Romel is excited to learn about. Let's go! Let's start with the orca. Orcas are one of the most powerful, intelligent, and fascinating animals in the entire ocean. Even though people often call them killer whales, orcas are actually the largest dolphins in the world, and dolphins are known for being extremely smart, playful, and social. Orcas live in oceans all over the planet. They can survive in freezing cold Arctic waters and also swim in warmer seas. Their thick layer of fat called blubber keeps them warm and helps them float. Orcas can grow as long as a school bus and weigh as much as several cars combined. But even with all that size, they are graceful swimmers. One of the most incredible things about orcas is their family life. Orcas live in close family groups called pods, and these families stay together for many years, sometimes for life. Mothers, fathers, grandparents, and babies all help each other. Older orcas even teach younger ones how to hunt, travel, and survive. That makes orcas one of the strongest family animals on Earth. Orcas also have their own languages. Each pod uses special sounds, clicks, whistles, and calls that other pods may not understand. Babies learn these sounds from their mothers. Just like children learn language from their parents, scientists believe orcas pass down knowledge and traditions through these sounds. When it's time to eat, orcas don't just rush in alone. They use teamwork and strategy. Some orcas work together to make waves that slide seals off ice. Others herd fish into tight groups so everyone in the pod can eat. They even share food and help sick or injured family members. Orcas can jump high out of the water, slap the surface with their tails, and swim very fast. Their black and white coloring helps camouflage them in the ocean. Dark from above, light from below. Orcas teach us about family, intelligence, communication, teamwork, and loyalty. They show us that true strength isn't just about size, it's about caring for one another. The sparrow may appear small and ordinary at first glance, but it is one of the most adaptable and successful bird species in the world. Found on nearly every continent except Antarctica, sparrows have learned to thrive in cities, villages, farmland, forests, and even arid regions. Their success lies not in size or strength, but in intelligence, flexibility, and social behavior. Most sparrows are compact birds with rounded bodies, short tails, and thick, cone-shaped beaks perfectly designed for cracking seeds. Their brown and gray feathers provide camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into trees, shrubs, and urban structures. Sparrows are highly social creatures. They gather in flocks, communicate constantly with chirps and calls, and cooperate when searching for food or watching for predators. Their vocalizations are not random noise. They use specific sounds to signal danger, location, and availability of food. Early in the morning, sparrows often create a chorus of chirping that signals the beginning of the day. This dawn chorus is an important behavior used to establish territory and strengthen social bonds. One of the sparrow's most impressive traits is adaptability. House sparrows, in particular, have followed human populations across the globe through trade and travel. They build nests in rooftops, barns, street signs, and small openings in buildings. Their nests are constructed from grass, twigs, feathers, and even bits of string or paper. Both male and female sparrows share the responsibilities of nest building, incubating eggs, and feeding chicks. During breeding season, parents work tirelessly to bring protein-rich insects to their young, ensuring rapid growth. Sparrows play a vital role in ecosystems. By feeding on insects, they help control pest populations that might otherwise damage crops and plants. By consuming seeds and spreading them through movement, they assist in plant reproduction. Though small, sparrows contribute significantly to environmental balance. Their intelligence is also noteworthy. Sparrows can remember reliable food sources and adapt their foraging strategies depending on seasonal changes. Studies show that urban sparrows quickly learn traffic patterns to avoid cars and take advantage of food scraps in busy areas. Their ability to learn from experience has made them resilient in rapidly changing environments. Despite their success, sparrow populations in some regions have declined due to habitat loss and pollution. This reminds us that even the most adaptable species require safe spaces to thrive. Sparrows demonstrate that strength does not always come from size. It comes from awareness, cooperation, and persistence. The kangaroo is one of the most iconic animals of Australia and a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation. Kangaroos belong to a group of mammals called marsupials, which are known for carrying and nurturing their young in pouches. Their powerful hind legs allow them to hop across vast distances with remarkable efficiency. In fact, at higher speeds, hopping uses less energy than walking would for a similarly sized animal. Their elastic tendons act like springs, storing and releasing energy with each jump.
Adult kangaroos can grow over 6 feet tall when standing upright, and their muscular tails serve as balance tools and even as a fifth limb when moving slowly. When grazing, kangaroos use their tail to stabilize themselves while shifting weight between legs.
Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of kangaroo biology is reproduction. A newborn joey is extremely tiny, about the size of a grape and underdeveloped at birth. It instinctively crawls into its mother's pouch, where it latches onto a teat and continues developing for several months. Kangaroo mothers have the extraordinary ability to pause embryo development during harsh environmental conditions, ensuring that young are born when survival chances are higher.
Kangaroos live in groups called mobs, which offer protection from predators. While generally peaceful herbivores, kangaroos can defend themselves using powerful kicks. Their social structure includes dominant males that compete during mating season, but outside of these contests, interactions are usually calm.
Kangaroos graze on grasses and shrubs, playing a significant role in shaping Australia's grassland ecosystems. Their grazing patterns help prevent overgrowth and promote plant diversity. Adapted to dry climates, kangaroos can survive with minimal water intake, extracting moisture from the plants they consume.
Kangaroos symbolize resilience and balance. They represent patience in growth, efficiency in motion, and adaptability in challenging landscapes.
The humpback whale is one of the most majestic and well-known marine mammals, famous for its hauntingly beautiful songs. These whales can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh around 40 tons. Despite their immense size, humpbacks are known as gentle giants. They migrate thousands of miles each year, traveling from cold feeding grounds to warmer breeding waters in one of the longest migrations of any mammal.
Humpback whale songs are among the most complex vocalizations in the animal kingdom. Only males produce the long, structured songs, which can last for hours and gradually evolve over time. Entire whale populations have been observed slowly changing their songs together, almost like musical trends spreading through the ocean.
Humpbacks use a cooperative feeding method known as bubble net feeding. In this strategy, whales dive beneath schools of fish and blow bubbles to create a circular net, trapping fish in a tight group. The whales then rise together with mouths open, consuming large quantities of prey in a coordinated movement.
Breaching. When a humpback leaps completely out of the water and crashes back down, remains one of the most breathtaking sights in nature. Scientists believe breaching may help remove parasites, communicate strength, or simply play.
Once heavily hunted, during the whaling era,
humpback populations have recovered significantly thanks to global conservation efforts. Their resilience stands as a powerful example of how protective measures can restore species.
The peacock, the male of the peafowl species, is one of the most visually spectacular birds in the world. Its magnificent train of feathers can contain more than 200 elongated feathers, each adorned with shimmering eye-shaped patterns. These colors are not produced by pigment alone, but by microscopic structures that reflect and refract light, creating iridescent blues, greens, and golds.
Peacocks use their elaborate feather displays primarily during courtship. The larger and more vibrant the display, the healthier the male appears to potential mates. During a display, the peacock vibrates its feathers, producing a subtle rattling sound that enhances the visual spectacle.
Native to South Asia, but now found worldwide, peafowl inhabit forests, grasslands, and even agricultural areas. They are omnivorous, feeding on seeds, insects, small reptiles, and plant matter. Despite their heavy-looking tails, peacocks can fly short distances and often roost in trees at night to avoid predators.
Peacocks have been symbols of beauty, renewal, and royalty in many cultures throughout history. Their feathers, naturally shed and regrow each year, represent renewal and resilience.
Though admired for their beauty, peacocks are also vigilant birds with loud calls that alert other animals to danger. They serve as natural sentinels in their environments.
Wow, Milo! Thank you for helping us learn about the orca, sparrow, kangaroo, humpback whale, and the peacock that Romel asked about.
You're welcome, Nia. And thank you, Romel, for wanting to learn about those amazing animals. They remind us how important family, teamwork, and communication are, just like it is for people.
Tell us in the comments your first name, the city and state you live in, and what you want to learn about next.
We read your comments, and if we pick yours, we'll make a special video dedicated just to you.
And friends, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video so more kids can learn with us here in Nia Blu World.
See you next time.